measuring an angle with the protractor. So this protractor can be a little glitchy. So anyway, it says use the protractor to find the degree measure of the angle. So this is how you use a protractor. So we start here. We want to make sure to get this point, the center of the protractor, right lined up with this point here that is where the angle is made, right at that point. Then we want to wrap this around and have one of the sides be lined up with this side of the protractor. We could also do it like this too. Doesn't matter. But in this case, it's better to do it with the 0. If we did it here lined up with the 180, we'd have to subtract 180 and that value. But this makes it a lot easier. Okay, so now we've got it laid down nicely. And all we got to do is see, where's the second line, where does it point to? Well, it's not pointing to 100, it's not pointing to 110, it's pointing right in between those, so the presumption is that is exactly 105. It's not labeled, but that's what's in the middle of 105 and 110. Put our little degree marker there. That signifies degrees. All right, use the protractor to find the degree measure, same deal. So first we're gonna place it right there. Now we're gonna line this up here. You see how this is nicely lined up with the 0. I'm going to tap it again. And so what does this degree measure? Well, let's just look where this one points to 0. What does this one point to? This one points right on 140. So that's really clean and neat. Don't have to question that.